In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy a shipping label using QuickBooks, a handy task that can streamline your business operations and ensure your packages reach their destinations efficiently. Let's dive right in, and I'll walk you through the process step by step. First, you'll need to access QuickBooks. Open up your preferred web browser and go to the QuickBooks website. You'll be greeted with the home page, which is your central hub for all things QuickBooks. If you haven't already, log in using your account credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll have access to all the features that QuickBooks has to offer, so you're ready to begin the process of buying your shipping label. Next, direct your attention to the menu. You'll typically find this easily navigable section on the left side of your screen on the QuickBooks homepage. Clicking on this menu reveals a list of different options you can explore within QuickBooks. This menu is the key to accessing different functionalities with ease and is designed to improve your overall navigation experience. Go ahead and click on the menu to display its contents. After opening the menu, look for and select the Shipping option. This option is crucial as it takes you directly to the shipping section within QuickBooks. The shipping feature in QuickBooks is particularly useful if you're regularly sending out packages. It simplifies the whole shipping process, allowing you to manage and keep track of shipments without needing external software. Once you've clicked on Shipping, you'll be taken to the shipping page. Here, you'll find various tools aimed at managing your shipping requirements. For our purpose today, we are interested in purchasing a shipping label, so we'll focus our attention there. On this page, look for and click on the Buy Shipping Label button. This button is your gateway to finalizing the shipping arrangements by acquiring the necessary labels. When you click Buy Shipping Label, you'll be prompted to enter the necessary shipping details. This typically includes the sender and recipient information, package dimensions, and weight. It's important to be precise with this information to ensure the shipping label reflects the accurate details, thus avoiding any potential delivery issues. Make sure to double-check this information for accuracy. And there you have it. After inputting all the required information, QuickBooks will guide you through the payment process to complete the purchase of your shipping label. Once purchased, your label will be ready for download and printing, making your shipping tasks a breeze. Depending on your printer setup, you might need to ensure your printer is configured correctly to print the label without any issues. Keep a close eye on this, as precise prints are important for label readability during the shipping process. That wraps up our guide on purchasing shipping labels through QuickBooks. Remember, mastering these straightforward steps will save you time and help manage your shipping tasks more efficiently, leaving you with more time to focus on what truly matters: growing your business. Thanks for tuning in, and happy shipping!